Does GoDaddy provide cPanel? Yes, GoDaddy provides cPanel with its Linux-based hosting plans, including shared hosting, business hosting, reseller hosting, and VPS hosting. cPanel is a popular web hosting control panel that allows you to manage your website's files, databases, email accounts, and more. 1. Hosting plans that include cPanel.a, shared hosting, Linux. Comes with cPanel for managing websites, databases, and email. Beginner friendly, ideal for small websites and blogs. Sub to be business hosting, Linux VPS. More resources for growing businesses. cPanel/WHM included for advanced server management. Reseller. Hosting.cPanel and WHM Web Host Manager allows resellers to manage client accounts. VPS and dedicated servers.cPanel is optional but available for an additional fee. Best for advanced users requiring full server control. Second, key features of cPanel on GoDaddy. Website management. Upload files, manage domains, and install SSL certificates. Database management. Use PHPMyAdmin for MySQL databases. Email accounts. Create and manage email accounts and forwarding rules. Backup tools. Manage backups and restore files. App installer. One-click installations for popular CMS platforms like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. 3. How to access cPanel on GoDaddy. Step 1. Log in to GoDaddy. Visit GoDaddy.com and sign in. Step 2. Go to My Products. Under My Products, find your hosting plan. Step 3. Access cPanel. Click Manage next to your hosting plan. Click cPanel Admin to access the control panel.